Thank you, Karan, for providing us insight about a couple of things. One is mainly about the toxins in the first video we discussed, and also about our human immune system, how it is impenetrable and invincible. But I think you still have not answered my question of, even though we have impenetrable immune system and toxins is something which is required for virus, how it is spreading across the world uh, with humans, this especially these virus and germs, which affects our body, which affects everybody's life at this moment. You have not answered that question, so I would really need that answer from you.
Yeah, no, I understand. The reason is, we need to understand the different components that's involved. Otherwise, it may not make sense. But hopefully, in this video, it should start evolving. Okay. So let's start where we left last time. So as you said, we have discussed about the germs, so-called germs, virus and bacteria, that can exist inside the human body.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what we learned. It actually grows where there are accumulated toxins. If there are accumulated toxin outside, it will grow outside. But that exists.
Okay.
And then we also discussed about the immune system. That's also true. Both exist.
Right.
Germs exist, immune system exists. Okay. And then we also discussed about the power of the human immune system. Okay.
Yes.
So let's take the first scenario. Okay, the first scenario is, let's say someone has less than 50% toxin, as you see in the graph. Green is more, red is less, which means toxins in the system is less. The system is natural. When I say clean, it is natural. Okay, so okay. So if that's how, whether it's a human, whether it's an animal, let's call that as a host. Okay, the host is in that condition. In that condition, the probability of toxins growth inside the human system is low because the system is predominantly clean. And let's say, however, this host or this person has tried their best to lead a clean life. When I say clean life, I mean eating clean, less processed food, maybe, a bit of exercise, to a relatively, happy, calm life.
Okay.
And then, but however, let's say from the environment, the germs come.
Mm-hmm.
For whatever reason, So who else is in the play? We know that we have 350 trillion Bruce Lees and probably 350 trillion nuclear bombs inside our body in every cell.
Yeah.
We carry that all the time. Okay. So in this situation, the immune system will deal with it. Easy peasy. Okay. Walk in the park. That germ from outside cannot penetrate. Remember, human immune system is invincible.
Right.
Yeah. So let's look at scenario two. Let's say it's 50-50. Okay. So 50% green, 50% red, which means 50% clean system, 50% toxin system. Toxins are there. Okay. Again, the germs come from outside. Same scenario. You have immune system with you. Even in this scenario, your human immune system is so powerful, it can deal with the situation. can deal with the situation. Job done, very easy work for the system. But let's look at scenario 3. Scenario 3, where the toxins are more. As you can see, it's about 70% toxins, only 30% clean. Okay, lots of processed food, alcohol, coffee, tea, stimulants, negative thoughts, stressful lifestyle. Okay, so that's how we, if this is the scenario of the host, then what happens now is, again, you have the same scenario. Even in this situation, our human system, immune system, can deal with it.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why, when I say human immune system is invincible, I truly mean it. However, there is a price that we pay. Okay, so the price we pay is because the immune system needs so much energy to deal with this so-called germs coming from outside, there will be tiredness and fatigue in the system. It's like you are in a war zone.
Yeah.
War zone. You have, so even though you have a nuclear bomb, even though you have 350 Bruce Lees with you, there is a fight, right? There is a fight. There will be an impact to the land in which that war is happening. And the impact is tiredness, suffering, pain, and that's what we call as diseases. That could be mucus, that could be fever, that could be diarrhea, that could be anything. Migraine, we can give names for it, but the consequence, the price that we pay for the immune system to deal with the situation is fatigue, pain, and suffering.